Okay, so this is Cadillac CTS 2010, and I'm gonna be replacing AC pump. As you can see, that's how it looks. That's the old one, and this one's refurbished. So I'm gonna be installing this one. So as you can see, I removed this part because it installs right here. So pretty much there's two bolts here and two bolts here. I was able to remove them from underneath the car. From over here. You could reach, put your hand in here, and there's like two bolts on this side and two bolts on that side. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, you will have to remove the belt. And I pulled it out from here, from this side. So I did not remove that. I don't know what that called. So pretty much, the hard part was to disconnect this wire, and as you can see, I bent it this way because it should go like this. And as you can see, the previous one is bent as well because people were removing it. They probably had hard time too, so you cannot unscrew this because there's a like a screwdriver, and because there's another this one sits underneath, so you cannot insert anything to release this, so you pretty much have to bend it and disconnect it. Just press on this and pull this out. Okay, so now I'm gonna install it and show you. So I will be inserting it with the bolts already inside here, because otherwise you won't be able to insert them, because this one's like very long and this one is pretty long too, because there's no space to insert, so they have to go um, together with the bolts. Okay, now I am installing this one. As you can see, those are the bolts that I'm talking about, and here I am using a ratchet. If you have a special one that actually clicks, it's faster, but I don't have one for now. So, but for that one, I'm using something like this. I'm just insert it in here, like that. And that's the bolts in front. Also those small pipes with a 10mm ratchet, I was able to put the bolts back in for the AC pipes. These are the pipes I'm talking about. You can also see the other one from here. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see from there. That's how I inserted the pipe from this way. The other one, but this one I inserted from here. So I just need to put everything back and charge the system. If you want to know where the AC filter is, it is right here. I'm putting in the new one right now. It's going tight. Okay. Here's the new one that goes in here. So guys, if this video was helpful, like the video and also subscribe to my channel. I also have some other videos that may be helpful for you.